not naked. I'm wearing this. But I'm just got ready. My makeup. It's like simple, nothing really cute. My hair is like gonna straighten it. And yeah, we're leaving our hotel room at 10 and it's like 8:30 right now. So yeah.
Vlog takeover. Bye.
Yes, the lighting is so bad, but outfit of today, Forever 21 and American Eagle and Forever 21. And we just packed and we're going to our next hotel. So we just went to the... Oh! Look at her face. Where did we go? Anyways, we went to Lake Mead and we're going to the Hoover Dam. And
listen,
it's so windy.
todo eso era pura agua. You see two colors?
So windy!
I know.
Stand right here.
It's so windy that me and almost pulled off that.
1, 2, 3.
So we just arrived in Nevada with my father!
That's good, Mom. That's a good
And
That's better.
here's my mom, the photographer.
Did you see that?
La pura polla. Had to pull my hair back because it's so windy. And guess who came? Gabba came. She thinks she's Tumblr, but
With my new case.
yeah.
Stand right here.
Huh? And when it's over, I press rewind. No, hey, you talking bands? Well, I got it. Benjamin's all in my pocket. Hey, I got a Glock in my Rari. Hey, 17 shots, no 38. Hey, I got a Glock in my Rari. 17 shots.
I'm like, yeah, she's fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. She walked past my friends, rewind and see that there's one more time. And I got this soda. Vicky, Vicky, baby, baby, no looks. No fast money, no slow looks. No hopes and show us no bucks. And hey, if you tell me what you see, is it mommy or is
So, we went to the wrong building. We have to go across the whole entire thing. My mommy.
Wait, this is not 34, it's 34. What's on that side? ¿Dónde está?
Este lo metí. I'm 722.
Hi, Mateo.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
So now we found our room. La Pulaneta. So we just got in, and Neta, get in. And we're gonna give you a little tour. Oh my. Wow. The view is wow. Here's the bathroom.
It's so big. Look at there's even
Literally perfect for my makeup.
Oh.
Here's the bathroom.
Yes. There's a TV in the bathroom.
Here's that. And then you go downstairs. Oh wait, no, not downstairs. And then this is gonna be Neta's room. And then you.
There's another TV. Look at there's.
So there's 2 beds
There's like
and
like a
closet. Whoa, Neta, you turned it on with your. I don't know what you did. We turned the light on.
Closet, it
There's
opens.
even like look at.
And then you go downstairs.
This is hilarious, Rita.
Look at there's
Here's the living room.
there's Fiji water.
Yes.
And Neta,
Hey, listen.
let's
Don't
show
leave it
them the
here.
view.
Do not grab from here. Do not grab. I have to
Dun
take
dun
10
dun.
each one.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, she's probably
I brought a whole bunch of
I
food.
feel like I'm a giant.
Well.
Look at the people in the pool.
So that's our. Oh my.
I know.
There's
saw
1, 2,
I think there's 11.
3, 4, 5,
1, 2, 3, 4,
6,
5,
7,
6, 7, 8,
8,
9, 10.
9, 10,
11.
11, 12. There's 12 pools in just this hotel.
You guys, we
13.
keep it like this. Look at.
Oh my. Whoa, there's like so many.
That's big time cool.
Okay, I feel like I'm gonna fall over. But
Look at these couches.
yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah. This is the spaceship.
And then
Let's take a seat.
I'm just kidding.
I think
But my sister's having her own mini concert.
no, not.
Go Ely!
Yeah, we're not starting.